Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing a vacuum cleaner from Miyako. The features are labeled right here on the box, which is it's 800 watts with high suction power, low noise level, metal chrome telescopic tube, electric vacuum cleaner. And here's the model number right here, MVC-5001. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here let me show you the pipe first. This is to extend the length of the vacuum cleaner. I'm going to put it aside here. Then we have the main head, or if you can call it the nozzle of the vacuum cleaner. It has a different feature too. You can either use it as a smooth normal vacuum cleaner, but there's also a brush option here. I'm going to put it aside. Then you have another part of the vacuum cleaner, which is a length extending pipe, a tube if you can. And here is the main vacuum cleaner. So it's wrapped in a plastic poly. Okay, so now here you have the start button, the plug retracting button, the power increasing one and the power decreasing one. Then here you have extra tools. If you press open, this pops up. You have a smaller version of the nozzle and one to clean the steep or corners of a room. I'm going to put them back here and close it here. Then we have this part where you can take out the dirt bag to get rid of the dirt and clean it. You have to keep cleaning it on a daily basis because it gets filled up really easily. As you can see, it's not such a big one. You can just pop it open like that, and here, from here you can get rid of the dirt. And you can seal it up that easily and then just put it right back. Okay, so that's it for about now. Next we have the extendable cord, which goes for about 15 feet. This is the maximum length, and if you press this button, it pulls everything right back. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble all the parts together and show you how to use it. So first of all, I'm going to connect the length extending pipe into the port. You just push it in and that's it. There's nothing else to do. Then we connect the metal tube into this bit of the pipe. Just tight enough. And then here's another feature of this pipe where you can just hold it and extend the thing for better length and control over the vacuum cleaner. I'm going to put it back in, and now I'm going to connect this into. There's no other connecting or anything, you just have to push hard enough, and that's it. So now I'm going to connect the plug into the board, just enough for the vacuum cleaner. And done. So let me turn it on. Here, it's already on now. Here, with this you can decrease the power. Here's a level for minimum, and and the levels in between and maximum. Let me keep it in between. Okay, so that's about it. As you can see, this is a very good vacuum cleaner and it has really high suction power and it got almost everything, every bit of waste into the room. And now I'm going to get rid of the cord. It gets stuck sometimes. Here. That's how easy it is. It has a lot of features and really easy to use.